beautiful day and we are at Kerosene Creek. It's like an hour's drive from where we are at Popo. And no, the creek isn't filled with kerosene, but it's like loads of hot springs in the Rotorua area because of all the geothermal activities. And I got a new mic, and see whether the sound actually sounds better than hearing all the ambient noise with the GoPro mic. We'll see.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
A little bit warm and it smells a little bit like sulphur, but we have to go to Rotorua, so we gotta go somewhere else now. See you later. Alright, so right now we are in Rotorua after about 20 minutes drive, and then there is this fish and chips that is apparently the best right here. Oh, and the queue is long.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions,
finally got a day off where both of us are able to camp out.